Let's say you have a report, and you'd like to go back in history, but the data source doesn't allow you to do so. In Power BI, you could automate the process of doing the snapshots by using relatively simple flow in Power Automate. For our exercise, we'd like to narrow the snapshots only to the sales of Alice. But you can apply whatever filtering options you find suitable, such as date range, different categories, etc. Now you need to go to the Performance Analyzer. That's found in the View tab. You'd refresh the visuals and then get the DAX code of the table that you want to extract. In order to take automatic snapshots, you need to have the report published so that the Power Automate can access the data. As you can see, the flow in the Power Automate has quite easy structure. It consists of 4 steps. The first step is to define recurrence. In our case, the snapshot will be taken weekly. Then you make use of run a query against a dataset action. There you define workspace, where the report is found, the report itself, and you paste the DAX code that you've copied from the Power BI. Create CSV table is a simple action where you pass the output of the Power BI block. Now to the last action. It's the one where you're actually saving the output of the Power BI to the SharePoint file. Here, we pass the site address, the path, the name, and the content of the file that we want to save, which in our case will be the snapshot of the report. It's time to see the flow in action. Let me save it, and let's run a test. Here it is,
our first snapshot.
Thank you for watching.